Hey guys, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 22 LSB Bennington swingback. Guys, this boat just arrived. Like I said, it is a 23 model. Looking at the outside, you'll see this has a smoky granite with the black accent stripe. You'll see this boat has the docking lights with your nav lights. Stepping aboard, we'll take a look. Beautiful boat, guys. Full Simtex upholstery, diamond press stitching, inlaid cup holders on port and starboard side with USB hookup for your phone. You've got portable cup holders. Of course, this is a swing back, so this is a very versatile seat, offering you to sit here in the forward cockpit or facing backwards for lounging and hanging out while swimming. Guys, this boat is equipped with the Yamaha 150. This is a Pontoon package, SPS, all 25-inch pontoons. Beautiful boat. Looking at the helm, you'll see it does have the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade. Has the 7-inch Simrad. Tilt and trim on the helm, steering wheel. Seats do recline, spin, and go forwards and backwards. Guys, plenty of storage underneath all these seating, and of course comes standard with the 10-foot bimini top. Guys, for more information, please visit marinemax.com or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you and have a great day.